Hari Om Tat Sat. This reading is not about who is right or wrong in your family. It is about the emotional energy inside your home, okay, which has silently been affecting everyone right now. So if you are like, okay, this is my in-laws only, my emotions, and why my family life is so blocked, there's no mental peace. If you're wondering, then we'll just find out why, what you need to learn. This is not pick a card reading, and Ma Durga is definitely going to help you uplift your home, understand what is the blockage, and remove all the negative energy in your house with her remedies and her presence. She's definitely in your house. Her presence is very real. So please know what is it that you need to learn here. That's all. Focus on what pain you're having now. Tell Ma, please heal me, Amma, and give her that give her that openness to resolve things. Open yourself to Durga Ma and her energy today. I'm going to pray. Durga Ma, breathe in, breathe out, relax, and you will get the best outcome here. Trust me on that. Now, feel free to pause if you need more time. Now, the cards are, as you know, I'm psychic, so I just don't need the cards alone. I also have my abilities. So what I'm seeing is there is some suppressed anger that you have. Also see emotional exhaustion, and as we all know, at home what happens, there is a repeat pattern always that keeps disturbing the peace again and again. Something about patience, maybe we have to learn. Something about being filled with humility, releasing that ego. What is the root cause here that we need to release, which is triggering all of us in the family? That's all we are going to find out. Let's start. Okay. And I also want to see what is it that it's happening here. Okay, through the cards, I'm going to decode this card for you. Maybe you will not see what I see, but I'm seeing a root family issue here. Codes of the seeds, blueprint is within the next step. Kind of like the root cause here is there is a lot of male dominance in the family. And you all have been feeling very low with that respect to that. You are fighting it, but just within your family. I'm not saying like a feminist vibe or anything, but I'm seeing this consistent male dominance in the family because the blueprint is within, it says. And the codes of the seeds, like it's come from one family to the other, one family. So no one's speaking up. No one's making the change, and that's the root family issue. That is also something I'm seeing. And I'm seeing that you are the one who's trying to, the in-laws, whoever you've got, and the family that you go to, right? You are the one who is the chosen one. Durga Ma says that you are Shakti. You were the chosen one to go to this family and make them understand what is the root family issue there. You stepped into the house like Lakshmi to bring in some huge change. Like you will change the man you married as well. He'll be filled with so many seeds of his past life, rooted DNA, all of that. So there will be one family core issue. Whenever you go to a new house, you will see that, oh, there is something here. Oh, there's no forgiveness here. And you'll also be that. Then you will see that, oh, I'm bringing in a change here. I want to stop and not be this. I want to tell them. You'll stand up for yourself. Nobody, like no daughter-in-law will go to a family and then not stand up. I mean, they will, but it's just the matter of time when she will be able to stand up for herself, right? So that's the core family issue that I'm recognizing with just this card. It told me so much about the emotions you're facing, the ego battles that you've been fighting there at home. My God, the stuck energy of the mental peace is very real for you. I can't even, this is like making me shaky. What is that one hidden emotional tension that you need to release? Why are this? Now that you know that, okay, it is deep-rooted, you found out, that's the root cause. Rose thread, inner call, soul-led, mystic, courage. You have all the abilities to overcome the issue that you're facing at your personal life, personal space. But there is something hidden. Why? There's an inner calling to solve everything, but you're not doing it. Okay? Who absorbs most pain in your family? Let's find out that as well. So there is a disturbance of peace again and again. Like everyone's fine, suddenly there is an issue. If in-laws are fine, family interference is there. Family is fine, in-laws interferences. So there is no peace really, and both of them are fighting. Everyone's family is discussing something, and there are a lot of negative, envious, jealous energies. That's the hidden emotional tension. To be honest, I just see jealous energies around you. How did they get so much? How did this happen? Oh, how are they so well living? How is this happening? The other people who are jealous, they are not even recognizing that because of the jealous energies around them, they are messing up the energies in the house. Whoever from the outside comes, I think you should immediately wash your house with salt water as well as some turmeric, because it's not fair what's happening to you. And in between, there will be a screenshot of remedies as well, which will be displayed on the video. So you can save it for yourself. I'm surely not going to leave you just telling you that, okay, this is a root issue. These are the high emotional tensions that are happening in your life, blah, blah, blah. No, I'll tell you everything, how to come out of it also. Durga Ma is healing you. And you are the one absorbing most of the pain of the family. That's what I'm thinking. Like, that's who you are. You were the chosen one. Even if it is your own family and there is no in-law, you're not a daughter-in-law, you're the daughter or the son. Whoever you are, the mental peace in the family, you are absorbing most of the pain. You are the chosen one. You are responsible to absorb these things because you were like, listen, I'm going to break the familial pattern here. This is your purpose. You came into this family, you married, you always think, right, why am I in this family with these parents, or why have I married this person? Okay, why did I come to this family? My God, you can't comprehend. It is only because of inner calling. A soul-led journey this is. And it sounds very mystic, but you took the courage to break this pattern. And now you are the one who's absorbing most pain. So what to do now? What is Durga Ma telling? Let endings happen. I am the mother of rebirth, she says. So this karmic pattern, that the generational trauma that they have been giving one after the other, now it is time for you to let that end. Because later there is only rebirth after end. There is no end really. Ma Kali ends illusion. They are all living, or you are living in illusion and attachments. So you can be reborn in higher consciousness now. Why are you holding on to the same familial issues? Now at least stand up for yourself. Make sure you draw your boundaries. There is alcohol addiction. I'm seeing there is smoking addiction. There's a lot of barriers in this family for people to progress in life. Delay in pregnancy. Your marriage might be delayed itself if you're in the house, still not gone to the in-laws house, because there are a lot of Nagadoshas happening in the family. So now you need to burn a symbolic item of your past and chant Om Krim Kalikayai Namaha. But these are bija mantras, then without guru initiation, we should not chant. So whatever you see on the internet, always verify for yourself. Are you capable of invoking these energies? Are you capable to sustain the changes Ma Durga will bring in your life? And only if the answer was yes, without one small scare that you had in your heart, then go for these things, because it's not easy to invoke such powerful energies in the house. You are the house ka Lakshmi you are. So you have every potential to change what you have absorbed now. You can release. Even if it is a masculine energy watching this video, you still are like a Lakshmi. You have feminine nature. You're here to change. Now let's see more. What was here? Healing takes time. Give yourself grace. It's not going to happen on the same day. I think you're seeing a lot of Matangi and parrots everywhere. Goddess Matangi is with you. And you've recently started some sadhana about it, or you're going towards spirituality only because you had to undergo so much pain in the house. Oh my God. So much emotional pain you're going through. I can't even comprehend why you're not seeking help. Again, please note, I'm not saying that people at your in-laws or people at your house are wrong, or you're right, or you're wrong and they are right. I'm saying none of it. I'm just telling you that these are the energies right now in your house, and you need to solve these energies, right? Why did you go there then? To understand that, yes, if a person is smoking, has alcohol addiction, as we saw in the cards, you are the one who will make him quit. Or even if you're a female who has these addictive patterns in you, you will quit. You will learn to live better lifestyle. That is the major responsibility or protective energy you've taken upon yourself, and you've entered this family. Passion related things they are not allowing you to do. Okay, next card will literally tell me now, I think, please Durga Ma, tell, can actually heal or not now? Or if distance is needed, temporary distance at least, will they heal? Will the family members heal, or do they need to do some distance? Let's see. Okay, what it will tell. Cards. Wow, okay. What am I seeing here? Oh, wow. I feel like picking this one. There are too many cards. Okay, let's see. I'll bring in this card, okay? It's written Rapture. Just showing you so that you will know exactly what fell. Okay, the innocence, forgiveness and self-kindness. The sacred union. The rose garden is here. The sacred union is here. Beloved within and relationships. What Ma is telling here? Whether the situation will heal, did she say? Or did she say you need temporary distance? Let's see. Release control, allow divine flow. Ma Ganga, see how Ganga Ma flows. A form of Durga flows through all obstacles, control limits, miracles. So I don't want you to control the outcome now. So what will happen? Should I be here? Should I leave? All of that. Spend some time near water source or water and practice repeating the I trust the flow. Just hold water in your hand. Actually, to be honest, right now after, or you can pause the video, go do this and come back and see how your energies will literally change. Or after the video also you can do this. Hold one mushti like this, like one full, both your palms you join like this and be in this position, beautiful position, asking position. Take some water in this position and tell, I trust the flow, because you don't have to control anything. Everything divine flow is controlling. You will be able to get rid of all of these issues that are happening. But you just have to trust the divine flow and leave it to the divine. Right now, I feel it will actually heal. There is a lot of healing. I think Matange, I wanted to tell you more. She is the goddess of inner wisdom, teaches that wounds are sacred doors to light. Listen to soft ragas or chants and journal what your soul wants to say, because you have to say. You should say. Yeah? And you will heal. Your softness is not weakness. That is what you're here to prove. It's your sanctity. Through fears, she's also gentle and nurturing. How Amma will be also strict and also nurturing. Your kid will always listen to you if you're like Durga Ma. You have to show that you are the nurturer, protector, and you're only trying to discipline. Right? Like that. Amma is gentle and nurturing also. So you also, when you're filled with so much hatred towards your in-law, so much hatred towards your parents, for doing your childhood so bad with you, I think now you should place a rose on your chest actually. Here it's written altar. I feel you should place some rose petals on your womb and chest. Release all of the blockages you have, Ma. I can see that literal energy transformation is having here. I don't see distance. I don't see permanent distance. I see temporary distance. You can heal this relationship without exiting by doing Ho'oponopono prayer, by placing few rose petals on your stomach as well as your chest. Sleep, place 2-3 of them and meditate, saying, I forgive you. I might have done something to you in past life. I have come here to remove all the issues that we all are undergoing. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Then release those rose petals into the mud outside. This is a beautiful ritual and I can see you're already feeling that positive sense. Now, or if you can't do that, place it on the altar itself and chant Aim Hreem Shreem. See, these are all Shakti. We are invoking Shakti. Do we have space for that Shakti? Please not. And also, peace is going to return to the families when someone finally stops carrying it silently. But because you should not carry it silently, you have to speak up. The emotional burdens are going to only further make you drain yourself. This is a very beautiful meditation which you can do. I make so many people do this. It's very easy. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this meditation. It's coming as a calling for me. Durga Ma wants me to tell you that tell them this remedy. So it's just stone release meditation. Like imagine yourself carrying a lot of stones in your hand and one by one you're giving the stone to gods or anyone who helps you. That's the meditation. You can frame your own lyrics for the meditation. It's very easy. You will feel lighter. You will leave with a very beautiful energy after this. And I also feel in your house, if you want mental peace now, because you know you are the chosen one now, why you chose this family, why they are hurting you, what you're carrying, what is that burden, how to release. The remedy here is camphor you need to cleanse every evening, because there's no other way I see things moving forward for you. You have to light camphor cleansing every evening. Light a camphor, cleanse the house. Every evening do this. And avoid shouting after sunset. No shouting in the house. Be calm, aram se. And Keep salt in the corners weekly, then sweep it off. Also, if possible, light a diya near entrance. Feed dogs, cows on Saturdays for ancestral peace energy because they are really going to bless you. You are the chosen one, right? And not every battle is yours. Please know this. This is what I did this morning. I told people in a reel of mine where not every battle is yours. Let me fight for you. So here she's fighting it for you. Amazing energies. I have a feeling you will really be able to come out of it. Just take a small temporary distance to heal yourself first. Speak out, stand up for yourself. You're here for a reason. Hari Om.